Hello YouTube, I said I was gonna show you some footage of the new things. I know it's a bit late, I wish I got it earlier. But I'm gonna show you something of Call of Duty Ghosts. So here it is.
I was amazingly unimpressed by Call of Duty Ghosts announcement, and I think mainly because when they ran it at the
people talking about it
May
from
21st,
Xbox
back on
One.
May 21st, the Xbox One launch event. I was watching it, trying to look for kind of something that was provably next gen. Just looking for things that you definitely couldn't do that on a current gen console, kind of thing. And most of the stuff I'm seeing, it's kind of, all right, we've got fish that run away from you. We've got dogs with really, there it just, when they showed the close-up model of the dog and it's like rendering individual hairs and stuff like that, that's amazing. Yeah. But when they show it in this trailer, it just looks current gen.
Well, we're in that weird sort of window now where we've got so many developers going, look at these games, cross-gen and next-gen.
Yeah.
It's just like...
Yeah, and it's like it's concessions. It's like they've got to keep half a foot in this gen to say, well, the game still looks like this on Xbox 360. In terms of the gameplay, what do you think about the changes?
Well, they haven't really changed anything, really.
Well, they kind of have. It's they've made the brave decision not to go for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. I think maybe because the numbers are getting ridiculous.
Yeah.
There was a lot of good feedback about the Ghost character from the Modern Warfare series. People like his face mask and like his attitude.
It's just, I don't know, this just seems like more of the same, but from a different angle, and it doesn't look that different to me. This looks like COD. Yeah, it's the same way like Battlefield 4 looked like Battlefield 3.
Yeah, okay, but people know what they want with COD. And, it's not really a big single-player campaign. In fact, most of the people that are on my friends list that play COD just ignore the single-player campaign completely. You might give it a go on like a rainy Sunday for achievements. And it's a mad because they spend so much time and money getting in Hollywood script writers and all this kind of stuff. And what you inevitably get is something that's just defined from one explosion to the next. And so it's never anything of any particular substance, although on this occasion they really are hammering on about how good the story is. So I guess...
But that's going to result to that dog will get shot at some point.
What the dog that you love?
Yeah, you love.
Yeah. Well, on Xbox One, I'm looking forward to seeing what it's like.
Oh, box shot and everything.
Yeah, that was that. I know it's a bit late, but for the people who have not saw it yet, so thanks for watching. See you on my next video.